What if the most dangerous moment for the auto industry already happened and nobody rang the alarm? No explosion, no breaking news banner, just a quiet reveal that rewrote the future. Picture this: a darkened stage, a calm CEO, and a sentence so precise it lands like a fault line cracking beneath Detroit, Stuttgart, and Tokyo. Because this wasn't a product launch, it was a declaration. While legacy giants argued over software updates and charging ports, something else was happening. Off the grid, out of sight. Factories scaling like data centers, batteries becoming weapons, engineering teams moving at startup speed with industrial force. This isn't about cars anymore. It's about control of energy, supply chains, and time itself. The present still smells like gasoline, but the future, it's already humming, quiet, electric, and unstoppable. And the most terrifying part? BYD didn't say they were coming. They revealed they were already here. So the real question is, if the rules have already changed, who's still playing the old game? Stay with us. And before we go any further, like, subscribe, and join Dravexa, because the next industrial revolution won't wait for permission. For years, BYD moved like a shadow. No flashy Super Bowl ads, no loud promises. While competitors chased headlines, you'd find BYD pouring concrete, hiring minds, refining chemistry, factory floors instead of red carpets, engineers instead of influencers. Then 2024 hit, and the numbers landed like a hammer. Over 4.3 million vehicles rolled off BYD production lines. That single figure crowned them the world's largest EV manufacturer. But numbers alone don't scare an industry. What scares it is how those numbers were achieved. Because while others obsessed over all-electric purity, BYD played a smarter game, a quieter one. Enter the 5th-generation DM dual-mode hybrid system, a piece of engineering so efficient, so unapologetically practical that even Tesla had to pay attention. Picture the reveal in Seoul: packed room, tight smiles. Two cars take the stage, the Kin L DMIT and the Seal 6 DMI. Clean lines, confident stance, no theatrics, but beneath that calm exterior, a rethink of what hybrids are even supposed to be. At the heart of it all sits a 1.5-liter petrol engine, but forget speed records, forget noise. This engine was engineered for one thing: efficiency dominance. Paired with a high-output electric motor, it adapts instantly. City crawl, silent and smooth. Highway surge, effortless and composed. And then comes the number that makes engineers blink twice: over 2,000 kilometers on a single tank and charge. Not theory, not lab fantasy, real-world range. That's the kind of distance that doesn't just challenge hybrids, it humiliates expectations. Here's the secret sauce: balance. While rivals chase extremes, either full electric or full combustion, BYD found power in harmony. Yin meets yang, fuel meets electrons, and the road rules get rewritten in the process. Now let's talk about the engine that quietly shook the industry. On paper, it looks almost underwhelming: a 1.5-liter petrol engine, 99 horsepower. Nothing headline-worthy until you understand the mission. This engine exists to work with electricity, not fight it. Two system outputs are offered. One tuned for efficiency lovers, 161 horsepower. Another for drivers who want more punch, 215 horsepower. But stop thinking in horsepower, that's old math. The real shock lives in a single number: 46.06% thermal efficiency. Let that sink in. That means nearly half of the fuel's energy becomes usable motion. It beats Toyota's long-held world record, and it creeps dangerously close to Formula One territory, a space where efficiency is obsession and every molecule of fuel is sacred. You're not looking at a better hybrid, you're looking at a new benchmark. Most gas engines waste fuel like it's disposable, over half of every drop vanishing as heat, gone forever. But imagine an engine that refuses to let energy escape. That's what BYD built. This system squeezes everything out of the fuel, delivering over 80 miles per gallon even when the battery runs low. No magic, just ruthless engineering. Here's how they did it. A sky-high 16.1 compression ratio that pushes combustion efficiency to the edge. Split cooling systems that keep temperatures exactly where they need to be. No hotter, no colder. Precision combustion control, firing fuel with surgical timing, and internal friction shaved down to the bare minimum so energy goes to the wheels, not to any wasted resistance. And listen carefully, this isn't some futuristic concept locked behind glass. This is mass production ready. For you, that means fewer gas station stops, quieter drives, smoother acceleration. For the industry, it means the old hybrid rulebook just got shredded. But BYD didn't stop at efficiency. They asked a bigger question. What if one system could fit every life? That's where the three faces of DM technology come in.
First, DMI, built for everyday reality, commutes, traffic, long weeks. It prioritizes fuel savings without turning your drive into a sacrifice. Calm, comfortable, clever. Then there's DMP. This one leans into performance. Electric precision meets hybrid muscle. Instant torque, sharper responses, and a drive that feels eager instead of economical. And finally, DMO. Yes, off-road, a hybrid designed for dirt, rocks, hills, and uncertainty. Electric torque for control, hybrid strength for endurance. Proof that sustainability doesn't mean staying on pavement. That flexibility extends to the batteries themselves. Depending on the model, you're looking at 10.08 kilowatt-hours or 15.87 kilowatt-hours packs, delivering 50 to 75 miles of pure electric range. Think about that. Daily commutes, grocery runs, short trips, all without burning a single drop of fuel. Gas becomes the backup, not the habit. But the real paradigm shift lives deeper. In most hybrids, the engine is the boss. Electric power just assists. BYD flipped that hierarchy. Here, the electric motor leads. The petrol engine steps in only when it's truly needed, like a quiet partner, not a dominant force. The result? Seamless transitions, effortless motion, a driving experience that feels natural, modern, and unmistakably future-ready. And now, this is where everything clicks into place. The secret weapon, the silent enabler, the blade battery. At the core of BYD's revolution isn't just smarter engines, it's a battery that rewrites the rulebook. Instead of bulky, brick-like cells wasting space, BYD uses long, thin cells arranged side by side like blades. That single decision eliminates dead space, boosts energy density by up to 50%, and reinforces the car's structure from the inside out. But power density isn't the real headline. Safety is. In brutal nail penetration tests, where most batteries erupt into flames, BYD's blade battery stays composed. No fire, no explosion, just stability. That's because it avoids volatile materials like nickel and cobalt. Instead, it relies on lithium iron phosphate, a chemistry known for calm behavior under extreme stress. Then there's longevity. After 3,000 full charge cycles, the blade battery still holds around 90% of its original capacity. That's years of use, lower ownership costs, less environmental waste. It charges faster, tolerates heat better, and keeps delivering without drama. This isn't just a safer battery, it's a smarter one. It's what happens when design, chemistry, and ambition finally align, and then push past expectations. And if you're starting to see why the industry is nervous, why this silent storm is anything but quiet, this is your cue to like the video and subscribe to Dravexa. Because what BYD is building isn't just technology, It's the blueprint for what comes next. Because power alone, that's old thinking. In BYD's world, speed without intelligence is just noise. Imagine a car that doesn't just respond, it thinks. That's where BYD's new Zhuangji architecture steps in. And no, this isn't just another infotainment upgrade with a fancy name. This is a complete neurological overhaul. Traditional cars are messy upstairs. Dozens of separate control units, little electronic islands arguing with each other. Slow, fragmented, inefficient. BYD scrapped that chaos. Zhuangji centralizes everything. Engine, brakes, steering, cameras, radar, sensors, all into a single lightning-fast core. One brain, one language, zero delay. We're talking microsecond response times. Blink and it happened fast. The difference between a near miss and a collision report. But here's where it gets unsettling, in a good way. This brain learns. Powered by DeepSeek AI, every BYD vehicle becomes a rolling data node. Braking patterns, energy usage, suspension behavior, component stress, all analyzed in real time. The car doesn't wait for something to fail, it predicts it. And scale? This is where competitors fall behind. Over 4 million BYD vehicles feed data into the system every single day. That's collective learning at a pace no traditional automaker software team can match. Rain starts pouring, visibility drops. Zhuangji instantly shifts priorities. Less camera dependence, more radar and ultrasonic input. No panic, no hesitation, just adaptation. And just like your smartphone, the car evolves. Over-the-air updates roll in. New features, smarter behavior, improved efficiency, months or even years after you bought it. This isn't tech for flexing specs, it's tech for trust, reliability you don't notice because it never lets you down. With Zhuangji, BYD isn't adding intelligence as a luxury, they're making it standard. Now let's talk about the part everyone whispers about, driving itself. While most automakers are still promising autonomy someday, BYD is already shipping it. The system is called DiPilot. And no, this isn't a demo video dream. It's real. It's deployed. It's learning right now. Built on the DeepSeek R1 neural network, DiPilot doesn't just follow programmed rules. It behaves more like a human driver, observing, anticipating, adapting. Sudden rainstorm, unexpected obstacle, complex urban chaos, decisions happen in milliseconds. And BYD didn't gatekeep it. DiPilot comes in 3 tiers. DiPilot 100 for entry-level cars, DiPilot 300 for mid-range, and DiPilot 600 for flagship models. That means vehicles under $10,000 now get intelligent driving features that used to belong exclusively to luxury brands. We're talking high-speed navigation assist, memory-based automated parking, hands-free driving for over 600 miles on mapped highways. Behind this isn't marketing, it's manpower. 5,000 engineers, 7 years of development, and a fleet generating 45 million miles of driving data every single day. Every BYD on the road is teaching the next one how to be better. This isn't a feature, it's a foundation, a future where your car doesn't just transport you. It watches, learns, predicts, and quietly gets smarter every time you drive. In BYD's world, autonomy isn't a promise on a keynote slide. It's already sitting in the driver's seat. But here's the part that truly changes everything, and you might not expect it: affordability. Because innovation without access is just a flex, and BYD understands that better than anyone. While most automakers unveil revolutionary tech wrapped in luxury pricing, BYD flips the script. No velvet ropes, no premium-only excuses. Their mission is simple but dangerous to the industry: world-class technology for everyday drivers. And in 2024, they backed it up. BYD vehicles landed around 15% cheaper than Tesla's Model 3 without gutting features. Not stripped down, not compromised, fully loaded. You're getting advanced hybrid systems, long-range blade batteries, autonomous driving through DiPilot, a centralized AI brain that thinks in microseconds.
Even their sub-$10,000 models show up with tech that used to live exclusively in luxury brochures. That's not cost-cutting, that's cost control at scale. And that's exactly how BYD moved over 4.3 million vehicles in a single year. Not through hype cycles, not through loud promises, but by delivering value that's impossible to ignore. While giants like Mercedes-Benz and Ford quietly pull back on EV timelines, BYD accelerates. They read the room and the road. Their hybrid-first strategy tackles the biggest fear holding drivers back: range anxiety. By blending ultra-efficient engines with electric torque, BYD delivers 2,000 kilometers of range without sacrificing performance or comfort. No chargers nearby? Doesn't matter. Long road trip? Covered. Daily commute? Silent and electric. This isn't a tech demo for the elite. It's a shift designed for real people, real budgets, real roads. BYD is proving that the future of mobility doesn't have to be exclusive. It can be smarter without being expensive, cleaner without being inconvenient, advanced without being out of reach. And when you step back, you see the pattern. The fifth-generation hybrid system, the Blade battery, the DiPilot autonomy stack. These aren't random upgrades. They're puzzle pieces snapping together fast. BYD isn't begging for attention, they're earning it. One battery cell, one algorithm, one production line at a time. As the world races towards electrification, one truth becomes impossible to ignore. The future won't be decided by who started first, but who moves smartest. And right now, that's BYD. So the real question isn't where the industry is going, it's whether anyone else can keep up. If you want to stay ahead of that answer, you know what to do. Like the video and subscribe to Dravexa. Because this story isn't slowing down. Let's wait and watch.